Hello friends, today I will talk about Sun in the ninth house of Taurus ascendant. In this video I will talk about the effects of Sun in the ninth house, such as the fortune of the person, the religion of the person, his long travels, his higher education, his mother, father. Thereafter I will cover the remedies and precautions if they are required, and in the end I will speak about a new topic, a tip of the day which we are beginning from now. Every day we will give a tip of the day so that general life is improved for all of you. Now with Sun in the ninth house represents the fortune of a person. If Sun is in good dignity, this person will be very fortunate for his family. From the day of his birth, his family will begin to grow in size as well as from the monetary aspects. Generally, luck will be with this person. The person will be very religious. His father also will be religious. The main signification of this placement is that the person will undergo higher education in this period, or he will be involved in activities relating to higher education, such as he can become a teacher, a tutor, he can get a job in a college, he can open his private tuitions. The ninth house also represents long travels, so in this period the person is likely to go on long travels, and in case it is connected to the 12th house or Mars in any way, in that case the person is likely to go abroad. For the mother of the person, we will find that the mother of the person, which is represented by the 4th house, the mother will have a very magnetic, attractive personality, and the mother will have a very authoritative voice. However, because the Lord of the 4th house, Sun, is now come to the 6th house, this will indicate some kind of problems, troubles, illnesses, court cases, some enmities for the mother. And Sun represents the father also. So most likely this enmity and fights are going to be with the father. That means the mother and father of the person may not get together during this period. Also, if you notice, for the father is represented by the 9th house, and Sun is the lord of the 4th house, which is 8th from the 9th house. And the 8th house is a significator of all kind of troubles, fights, person becoming secretive. So naturally this position of Sun indicates that for both father and mother there may be troubles during this period, and especially there may be troubles within themselves, amongst themselves. Overall, if we see, Sun is the lord of the 4th house, which is considered a good house, and Sun is placed in a Trikona house, which is the 9th house, which is also a good house. So remedies of Sun will not be required in this case. However, there are certain precautions we must take so that Sun gives us better effects. Number one is that we must pray to the Lord Sun, because it is already giving good effects. So prayers to the Lord Sun will increase the effects of Sun and help Sun give us better results. Second is, with Sun in this position, one must never take in donation or in free items related to moon, such as silver, or any items which come out of sea, such as conch, shells. These kind of items person must never take free or in donation from anyone or as a gift. Otherwise the effect of Sun begins to reduce in this case. Now the tip of the day. You are all aware that in old times all the houses used to have loose mud, a courtyard which was not paved inside our houses. Why this was done is because having loose mud or soil inside our house increases the incoming wealth and luxuries for a person. So in today's times, since most of us live in flats or apartments and we do not live on houses made on ground. Mostly, especially in big cities, we all live in flats and apartments. So the method to do it is that you keep 3 to 4 flower pots at least full of loose soil in that. Please notice soil is to be kept, not sand, because sand is represented by Mercury. So only loose soil is required. So this you keep in the house. Whether or not you grow plants in that is immaterial, but keeping a little bit of loose soil inside your flat will give the blessings of Lord Mahalakshmi and increase wealth and luxuries in your horoscope. That's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.